Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the IP and mask. Now begin. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the command to show interfaces so you can see the IP4 address and adapter name. On Windows, use ipconfig. On Mac OS or Linux, use ifconfig or ipeditor. Once you see the address and mask, write them down exactly. This saves time for calculation. Make sure your machine is on the network you want to analyze before continuing. Now calculate the broadcast address step by step. Convert the subnet mask to prefix length so you know host bits, for example 255, 255, 255, 0 equals /24. Next, perform a bitwise and between the IP and mask to find the network base, this zeros host bits. Then invert the mask to get host bits as ones and/or that with the network base, that yields the broadcast. You can use built-in tools or a calculator app to avoid manual binary errors. Finish by verifying the broadcast address on the network. Ping the calculated broadcast address. On many systems, this will show activity or provoke responses from devices. Then check the ARP table or run a quick network scan to see reachable hosts. That confirms you used the correct broadcast. If nothing responds, make sure local firewalls allow broadcast traffic and that your interface is up on the same subnet. Also recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.